This paint can be used when changing the color of the anti-theft door, or tools used for color modification. Use sandpaper to polish the surface of the door and then wipe off the dust with a cloth. Subsequent painting is more firm door. Protect unpainted areas except for doors with masking paper. Avoid sticking to the paint during the painting process, which is difficult to clean. Use protective film on the ground for pasting. The first coat of paint can be applied by using a roller to fully apply the paint solution. Apply evenly back and forth in the same direction. Fill the groove details with a brush. This is the appearance after the first brush. The paint surface has not fallen off by hand, and the construction is dry enough for a second painting. Dark paint is usually applied twice to completely cover it. After completion, apply the protective film on the ground.